Welcome to our exploration of the foundation of data science, a field that has transformed the way we gather, analyze, and interpret data in numerous sectors. In today's data-driven world, understanding the fundamental concepts of data science is more crucial than ever. From predictive analytics to machine learning, data science equips us with the tools we need to make informed decisions based on large amounts of information. At its core, data science combines statistics, mathematics, and computer science to extract meaningful insights from data. This interdisciplinary approach is essential because the sheer volume of data generated daily is staggering. Data scientists employ various techniques and algorithms to identify patterns and trends within this data, helping organizations make data-backed decisions that can enhance their strategies and operations. By utilizing skills from diverse fields, data science broadens the scope of problem-solving opportunities. One of the foundational components of data science is data manipulation, which involves cleaning, organizing, and transforming raw data into a usable format. Effective data cleaning is crucial because the quality of the input data directly impacts the quality of the insights derived. Data scientists use tools such as Python and R, along with libraries like Pandas and NumPy, to streamline this process. As they prepare the data, it is also essential to consider aspects like data privacy and security, especially when dealing with sensitive information. Scene 4, another critical element is data visualization, which helps to communicate findings clearly and effectively. Visual storytelling transforms complex data sets into visually appealing charts and graphs, making it easier for stakeholders to grasp insights. Tools like Tableau and Matplotlib allow data scientists to create informative visualizations that highlight key trends and patterns, enabling effective decision-making across various departments within an organization. Lastly, data science heavily relies on algorithms and statistical modeling. With techniques ranging from regression analysis to machine learning, data scientists can develop predictive models that not only analyze historical data, but also forecast future trends. Machine learning algorithms, in particular, are invaluable as they allow systems to learn and evolve based on new data, fostering continuous improvement over time. This adaptability is a hallmark of successful data-driven strategies in diverse industries, from healthcare to finance and beyond. In conclusion, the foundation of data science is built on the principles of data manipulation, visualization, and advanced analytics. As we move forward in this digital age, understanding these elements will help individuals and organizations harness the power of data effectively. By mastering these skills, aspiring data scientists can position themselves as valuable assets, driving innovation and insight through the transformative power of data. Thank you for joining me in this journey into the foundation of data science.